Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. In today's video, I'm going to show you a very unique recipe of cheese toast, that is tandoori cheese toast. So let's get started. To prepare the tandoori marinade, we need half cup yogurt, that is plain dahi. You don't need any salt or sugar in it, so whisk it till it becomes smooth. Roast 2 teaspoon kasuri methi on your tawa or a pan, or you can microwave it for 1 minute. After that, let it cool down and then you can crush it and add to the curd. Next, add some turmeric, roasted cumin powder, red chilli powder, you can use Kashmiri or Byadgi for good color, half teaspoon garam masala, 2 teaspoon mustard oil. If you like mustard oil, do add it, otherwise you can use your regular cooking oil, and some salt. Give it a good mix. Next, I'm adding my homemade organic red food color, which I have made out of beetroot. I have already posted a video on this. If you do not have it, you can skip this step, or if you are okay, you can add some red food color, red or orange food color. So give it a good mix. For this recipe, you would need approximately 9 to 10 bread slices of medium size. Next, apply the prepared marinade on the bread slices. You can use a silicone brush if you have it, or use your fingers to do that, but do not dip the bread slices in the marinade. Because if you do that, your bread slices may become soggy, so apply it like this. A thin layer of masala, this marinade on the bread. Our bread slices are ready. Now place the marinade side down on the tawa, but before that add some oil or butter to your tawa or pan. Gently place the bread slices. Keep the flame low. Now apply the prepared marinade on the other side as well. Toast the bread slices at low flame till it becomes crispy on one side, but before flipping, add some butter. Now place approximately 1 tablespoon mozzarella cheese on each slice and half of a cheese slice, or you can grate some processed cheese cube. Some boiled sweet corn, chopped capsicum. Follow the same steps for each bread slice. Make sure you toast the bread slices at low flame, otherwise your bread may burn but still remain soft. Toasting at low flame would ensure that the bread slices become nice and crispy. The bread slice can hold its shape now, it's nicely toasted and you can see the cheese has also melted. Before serving, sprinkle some chaat masala. You may add some mixed Italian herbs or chili flakes, but I am trying to keep it as desi as possible. You would have tried a lot of bread toast, cheese toast, but this one is different from the rest because of the tandoori marinade that we have applied to the bread slice. Look at the delicious toasted marinade. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Terrace Kitchen for more such wonderful recipes. Give this recipe a try and enjoy!